Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the original milkshake in Heartopia. So you'll need to be level 11 of the cooking hobby. And for the recipe, you can purchase it from Massimo. So for the original milkshake, it's just all milk actually. If you want the blueberry milkshake, you'll need to put like blueberries in it, but make sure you have cooked the original milkshake before trying the like secret recipes, which I have in the video after this, I think. So yeah, that is how you can cook milkshakes. I'm just going to wait for this to finish cooking. It does take a long time to cook one, and you get like 12 energy from it only. I'm not sure why. But yeah, that is the original milkshake. This is what it looks like. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.